Day 1 is for robotics. Day 2 is IoT, Internet of Things. Day 3 is for artificial intelligence. And day 4 is for drones. So WitBlox DIY Party is designed to encourage children and learners to know and experience robotics hands-on. We know how important it is to experience things with our own hands. It is possibly the best way one can learn. And if it comes like a fun or a game, I think that's the best possible combination for a curious mind to develop in the right way. WitBlox from day 1 is known for encouraging children and makers to create STEM environments where they can thrive on their own. And WitBlox DIY Party is an extension to it, where every weekend we choose a topic to invite everyone to come, engage, explore and build robots. As of now, we are engaging on different topics. Day 1 is for robotics, day 2 is for IoT, day 3 is for AI, that is artificial intelligence, and day 4 is for drones. These 4 topics are very important, keeping in mind the future. So engaging on these 4 topics at an early age is very important, and also works as a subject for children to explore this as a part of their curriculum, which is not included in their school curriculum. The best part, I would say, is to see how happy the children engage in robotics. Their energy and excitement are a clear indication to all of us that they love robotics and they want more. So why not WitBlox DIY Party? It's the best place to experience future education. So join us at the next DIY party in your city, and to know more, you can always log on to witblox.com. So see you at the party.